Welcome to ClearTask. Today I will show you the easiest way to repeat your table headers automatically on every page. Here is how you do it. First, go to the beginning of your table and select the entire header row you want to repeat. Second, right-click on the selected row and choose Table Properties from the drop-down menu. Third, in the window that opens, click on the Row tab at the top. Next, check the box that says Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page. Finally, click OK. That is it. If you scroll down, you will see your header perfectly pinned to the top of every new page. If you insert new rows, Word will automatically adjust and keep your headers in place. For an even faster shortcut, just select your header row, go to the Layout tab in your top menu, and click the Repeat Header Rows button. It does the exact same thing in one click. If this quick tip helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. Thanks for watching.